Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study computer science for Cuet. First, download the official syllabus and understand every topic. Next, review the exam pattern, including the number of questions and marking system, to strategize effectively. Then, focus on foundational computer science concepts, ensuring a strong grasp of data structures, algorithms, and programming basics. This initial preparation lays a solid groundwork for your entire study plan. To truly excel, dedicate significant time to mastering a programming language like C++ or Python. Consistent practice is key. Solve at least 5 to 10 problems on data structures and algorithms every day. This hands-on approach reinforces theoretical knowledge and builds problem-solving speed. Additionally, regularly working through past exam papers will familiarize you with question types and improve your time management skills. Effective study involves smart time allocation. Dedicate specific blocks of time, perhaps 2 to 3 hours daily, to different computer science topics. Leverage a variety of resources, including reputable online tutorials and well-regarded textbooks, to deepen your understanding. Furthermore, summarizing key concepts into short, clear notes will prove invaluable for last-minute reviews, helping you recall information quickly. As the exam approaches, ensure you complete at least 2 comprehensive revisions of all topics. Taking several full-length mock tests under strict timed conditions is crucial to build stamina and identify areas needing improvement. On exam day, remember to stay calm and focused. Read each question carefully, manage your time wisely, and approach the paper with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.